Exness Broker Review, 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how trading platforms have evolved in 2025. Exness Broker promises advanced tools, low spreads, and global access, but is it really worth using? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming Forex and KEF trading is only for professional traders. Exness allows both beginners and experienced traders to participate with flexible account types including standard, professional, and zero accounts with competitive spreads. One major advantage is transparency. You won't believe what happens next when you see real-time pricing, low withdrawal fees, and instant deposits. Exness also offers robust mobile and desktop platforms, including MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are perfect for executing trades and monitoring market movements efficiently. The broker provides negative balance protection, risk management tools, and a variety of trading instruments including Forex indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Educational resources and demo accounts make it easier to learn and practice without financial risk. However, there are cons. Some account types require higher minimum deposits and advanced features might be overwhelming for beginners. Customer support, while responsive, can vary depending on your region. In conclusion, Exness Broker in 2025 is a strong option for traders looking for flexibility, transparency, and a wide range of instruments. While the learning curve and deposit requirements are factors to consider, the combination of powerful tools, low spreads, and educational support makes it suitable for both novice and professional traders alike.